Hi, this is Judd Albrecht from Presenter Media. Right now I'm going to be showing you how to use this game show template. So if you follow along, I'll show you how it works in slideshow mode. To get in slideshow mode, go to the top menu and go to the slideshow tab. Once in slideshow tab, go to the far left and click on From Beginning. This will open up slideshow mode. You can also get to slideshow mode by hitting F5 on your keyboard. In slideshow mode, you'll see the 6 categories on top. These can all be edited inside PowerPoint's editing mode. Underneath, you'll have your panels with dollar amounts on them. To open one of these up, all you have to do is double click on the panel. It opens up the answer or question panel, which you can put your own text on here. Once your participants have answered your question and you're ready to move on, simply click this button that says Close Answer, or you can change the text to whatever you want. And once you click that, it'll take you back to the main board and you'll see that panel has been answered and shows blank. And you can move on to another panel. Say category 4, 300. Double click on 300, it opens up the answer panel. Once done with that, click Close Answer over here on this button and you'll see that that remains blank, saying it's answered. And you can go through all these panels and click on them until your game is done. And that is it. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to edit this template. Okay, let's start editing this template. The first thing you want to do is go to the Home tab in the top menu, which is on the far left. So you click on Home tab and go to the far right in the ribbon. So follow my cursor and click on Select here in the editing group. Go to the bottom of the drop-down menu and click on Selection Pane. You'll see that it opens the selection pane over here on the right hand side. This is a list of everything inside your template here on this slide. So everything for this slide over here. If I scroll down, you can see that some of these boxes next to the items have eyes in them. That means that they are not hidden. They are checked to show. So the ones right up here, these are not showing yet. So now we're going to edit the panels that have the answers on them. So let's click on this name right here. It tells the name, first category. So first category, $100, $100. So you're editing this panel right here. So if I click that on, it opens up the panel for that, and you can select the text and type in your question or answer. I'll just type in a simple question. What is your name? Pretty easy question, easy to answer, I would hope. So once you get that typed in, you can uncheck that category. It's hidden now, as you have to uncheck that to show the next one, because if I check both of them on, you can see I can only see the one that is above or on top of the other one. So if I uncheck the one that is on top, I can see the one below, and I can type a new answer in there, which is for first category answer 200. So first category 200. So in slideshow mode, when you double click on the 200, it will pop up with that answer. And also with the 100, it's going to pop up with that first answer that you created. And you just go down the list and turn on these panels as you go down and just fill them out with your answers or questions all the way down until you reach the last one, which is sixth category, answer 500. So category 500. So you're going to go down the whole list and put in all your answers. Once you have that all done, what you want to do is go through and turn on all of these eyes over here to show all these panels for the answers. Turn them all on, all the way up, all the way up to the top. So right now, if I scroll down, everything will have eyes on in the boxes, saying that they're all showing. You can either leave the selection pane open or close it by using this X over here. So I'm going to close it out just with the X. And now I should have all my panels named, and I can go into slideshow mode and view them. So I'm going to hit F5 on my keyboard, or I can go up to the up to the main menu up here and click on slideshow. Go to the far left where it says from beginning, click on that, and now I have my answers in my panels here. So if I double click on the 100, you'll see it's got the panel, what is your name? And I type that in, and I'll close out of that, and you see that it's blank. And if I go to the 200, it would have whatever I typed in there in the other editing mode. So I can exit out of this, and again, that was go to home up in the tab or main menu up here, and go to the home tab, go to the far right, go to select, go down to selection pane, and once again you're in there, and you'll see everything's checked on. And if you wanted to go edit some stuff, you'd have to uncheck everything. So like if I wanted to edit right here, second category answer 300, to edit that I would have to hide everything above it. So now you can see category 2 for 300. I can edit that. Just say hello. Hello. Okay. And I can turn everything on here. Close out. Go into slideshow mode again. And try to remember which one I changed. I'm not really sure. So you probably want to write down your answers and where they're at on the panel. So you want to write down category 3, 300, and then write down on a piece of paper maybe your answers. So when the participants answer or pick the panel, you'll know what the question or answer is. So if I pick that, double click, you can see that's not the right one. So it would have been good to write that down. But if I could find the right one, which there it is, hey, I found it. It would say hello. So that concludes how to use this template. Pretty simple. It's pretty much just using the selection pane to just edit those panels. Everything else is set up for you, ready to edit. And also these categories are easy to edit. You just click on them, click on the text, and type in hello. I'm going to use hello because that's one of my favorite words, hello. So over here in this button, I'm going to click on that, and you can click on the text you see and change the answer to, of course, hello. And I'm going to change the other one to hello. Okay, so that's how you change those the text in those buttons. Pretty simple, and pretty much everything should be working for you. And I hope you enjoy this template. Thanks.